Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to update WordPress installation. Log in to WordPress. On the left sidebar, click on Updates. Here, click on Check again to make sure that your installed version is up to date. Our version of WordPress is up to date. You can also update your plugins and themes from this section. As you can see, plugins and themes are all up to date. In case there is a problem and WordPress needs to be reinstalled, then you can click on Reinstall Now button. This process takes some time. And once done, you will see the latest version of WordPress. That's how you can update WordPress installation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.